All right, what's going on, folks? Wanted to do a quick video review on Hostgator. I'm just thinking about it today that I've been with these guys since about 2008, 2009. I've never done a review on them, but I've suggested them to so many people. If you click the link below this video, actually, it will take you to the page that I'm currently looking at, which is the Hostgator main website. You can look around, click on links, or go over anything that I'm talking about in the meantime. But basically, I've been with them since 2008, 2009. They were the first hosting service that was suggested to me, and I've been with them ever since. I haven't had any complaints with them. I actually have 2 hosting accounts at this time. There was a point in time when I had 3 when I was doing reselling, but I currently have 2 now. So never had any downtime. Let's see, the price has always been the same. It's always been affordable, around $12 a month, depending on which service that you go with. I do the shared hosting, the baby plan. Let's see, what else? Oh, and it's very easy to set up, like very easy to use WordPress with them. The customer service is amazing, whether it's like the chat customer service or the on the phone customer service. I do internet marketing, and I also help people do internet marketing and set up websites and stuff. So I always suggest Hostgator for them. And if there's something that I can't help them with, there's always a video on YouTube that I can just send them that'll walk them through the steps. So there's a ton of content or tutorials out there. So if you'll probably never ever get stuck. But if you do, and there's not a tutorial, or if you don't want to watch a tutorial, the customer service is always really handy to help you get through anything that you might be encountering. So that's pretty much why I've stuck with them. And I really think that's it. The only thing I would suggest, some of my students or whatever will come in here and try to use their website builder. I don't suggest that. I suggest using WordPress instead. And also, I don't suggest using their domain service either. There's other services that I suggest, like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Only because those places kind of specialize in what they do. Like, I wouldn't use hosting with Namecheap or GoDaddy, and I wouldn't buy domains from Hostgator. So I use things for what they specialize in and keep everything kind of separate in that way. And that's always worked for me. So I don't suggest using their domains. I don't suggest what was the other thing I said? I don't suggest using their website builder and stuff either. Just WordPress, using their installer for WordPress. All right. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this informative. And I'll see you in another video. Have a good one.